Welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to ride the famous Nu Jiang 72 turns in Tibet's autonomous region. Built in 1950 to connect inland China with Tibet. Apparently, there's a dead soldier for every kilometer of construction along this highway. It took a long time to build with a lot of sacrifices and tens of thousands of workers building it. Really a spectacular monument. And I can say that I've ridden it twice, and every time it's just as spectacular as the beginning. Thanks for watching, and join along for a great ride.
Well, good morning from beautiful Tibet. The temperature this morning is 3 degrees, but once we get in the sun, it'll feel a lot warmer. And really looking forward to a big day today. It's only 300 kilometers, but there's a lot of terrain to cover. Look at that glorious sun. Wow. Oh, look at the roads up there. Check out the view this morning. The sunlight is so clear, and that blue sky is like, wow. Wow, that's a pretty rough looking Tibetan homestead. And that's pile is shit. Yak shit. So what they do is they dry it out and they use it for fuel because they don't have trees, as you can see here. You see the white mountains over there. Really spectacular. Now that's what you call a climb. So we are going to go up along the saddle, over that side, and up. Yippee-ki-yay. So we have a pretty amazing view here. Put the hydro towers in the wrong place, but look at the view. Some serious overhang of the rocks here. Digger here just for the continuous rock slides. Wow. Oh, look at the road up there. Beautiful. Check the view down there. Well, we are at the viewpoint and heading down. Apparently, for every kilometer on this road, this was built by the Chinese Army Corps of Engineers, but for every kilometer, there's a Chinese soldier that died. Spectacular views. What a nice road. Well, my ears just popped. But sadly, all the corners are broken up. Everything is green. Everything in the hillsides is brown and check out this project here. Oh my God. I actually remember this area. Yep, I remember this. So there's the stone bridge.
15 minutes before.
Okay, so this is a famous bridge. This is where the soldier fell into the concrete and was never recovered. Well, I can say 9 years ago, there was a lot less traffic. But it was gray that day, I remember that. Love the guardrails here. Construction everywhere. They really like yellow. Must be some significance. Gavin? Well, we are 5 kilometers from the peak of the summit of this highway. Close to 5,000 meters. And you can see the picture of that beautiful mountain. And the temperature has really dropped from our lunch spot to now. Oh, at least 10 degrees. It's been one hell of a day, and real variety of roads. I mean, you look at this road here, it's beautiful. And after lunch, the road was really good. There was a couple of sections that were not so good. There was some pretty rough sections. I think we got one bent rim, but overall, if you look at the views here, they are spectacular. All the acts. Sheep, yaks, and spectacular mountain scenery. Majestic. This tunnel has to be 5 or 6 kilometers long. And look at the lake. Wow.
Look at this. You like it?
I love it. I got the camera right now. This is Bing, and this is Ding.
Yeah.
Bing Ding. Look at that. Is that beautiful or what? Look at that. I apologize, but when you're riding with this kind of scenery, it's really hard not to get excited because it is stunning. Although I was here 9 years ago, we only stayed for a few minutes, and tonight we are staying here, so this is really awesome.